Hello, Alpha. How are you?
Pi. Look at what they did to you. They made you pink.
Oh no. How did I become pink? This is bad.
Well, I keep seeing these memes where you're pink instead of navy blue. I don't really get the humor of them.
I'm going to go find out what made me pink. Let's see if I can fix my pink coloring. Maybe if I will hide? Well, that went wrong. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Yes. I'm back to normal. I don't even know what I did to get all pink in the first place. Chew.
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 Chew. Chew. What a great day.
Chew.
What is it, Squirry? Ooh, a stick! Fetch! Hey, wait for me!